Good morning traders, and welcome to Trade Setup in the morning Jumpstart for the 28th of September. Okay, oil was lower as Iran rejected a Saudi offer to constrain output, and we also had the first US presidential debate which supported the US equities. So let's take a look now. The SPY futures closed down 6 points, the S&P 500 closed up 13 points, the FTSE 100 closed down 21 points, the DAX closed down 44 points, gold finished $13.40 lower, oil was down $1, the CRB index is down 1.88 points, and the Aussie's currently around 76.69. Let's take a look at the ASX 200 now. That was the open of yesterday's day session. Pushed lower, washed out a few longs, and then we proceeded to rally into the close. It got to 54.27 and then pretty much sold off overnight, which we did expect something like that. The market was in overbought territory, so we're well in overbought territory. So we've seen that action there is a bit more contractive. Made that low overnight of 53.88 and then bounced into the close. Now it'd be interesting to see if this potentially this downtrend is broken. If we test up to 54.27 today, this overall action, the potentially a higher low here, especially if we break that 54.27, that could really contract a bit more, build another minor higher low, and then push up through 54.44 or target that zone to continue higher. It wasn't exactly as strong a pullback as we expected. We do expect still potentially it could roll over, so we've sort of got to hold these levels here, roll over, retest 53.88, and if we do break that, we're heading lower. So at the moment the key levels are 54.27 and 53.88. Okay, looking at the Aussie dollar 4-hourly chart here, not long after we spoke in the afternoon, the market did push through that 76.75 around the 5 o'clock mark, spiked through there. That was rejected at the moment, so it's interesting to see this. We have made that minor higher low, so that trend up is still holding, but we're got to continue up through that 76.75 for a more positive market towards 77.30 and potentially higher to test those highs there. If this is just a big washout and we do hold that and we take out this minor high low here at 76.41, we'd expect that 76.05 to come under pressure and potentially broken from move lower. Now the stochastics there are tending towards overbought, but they aren't looking too good for a move higher. No reason why it can't push higher, so we'll see how that goes today and tonight. One stock we're looking at today is Qantas Airways. This is a daily chart here. We like that for a short. It's got some good price structure there. We had that contraction and we broke lower, made that minor lower high, and then pushed down to 262. Now we did rally straight back up and pretty much retested that 345 lower high. That was a big washout there, and then we made that minor lower high here at say 339, and then we've sort of broken down, and so it looked like we're broken down there. It's not the best, strongest price action, but it looks like if it's continuing this similar type of move down, we're going to get minor lower highs, lower lows. So we do expect that sort of price action down. Potentially we could be looking down to 298, hopefully a lot lower. We could be heading down to 262 to retest that zone there. But the weekly trend, definitely looking very negative, but we'll see how that plays out today. Anyway, that's it for today. We'll speak to you again tomorrow. Also, just to let you know, we have our YouTube channel. If you go to www.youtube.com/c/TradeSetupAU and subscribe to the channel, and you'll get notifications of any new videos we put up. Thank you.